Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today we got the Gypsy Queen Blaster boxes. We're going to do two of these. Haven't done these before in the past. So this will be new ones. We've done the previous year's Gypsy Queens, so we pulled some pretty cool stuff out of them. So we're gonna see what we get out of here. We get an exclusive green parallel per pack, so I wonder what those look like. Before I get to that, you know what you gotta do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm gonna get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch cards, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm throwing in a Greg Reynolds numbered autograph and an on-card autograph of Tanner Sheppers. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at them? All you gotta do is just leave me a comment below. All right, blaster number 1. Let's see what we get. Baseball's not my favorite one, but every once in a while they give you some weird cards in these Gypsy Queen packs. So I'm kind of like, huh. That one and the Good One Championships. Good One Champions, I believe it is. But Blaster versus Blaster, let's see what we get. Blaster number 1. What do we get? We got a Varsho. Glasnow. Pretty good looking card. We got a Castro. Yelich. It's like a parallel. Oh, a numbered parallel. 399, 231 of 399. Christian Yelich. So you can see the different bordered color. Rookie card green parallel. Kyle Mueller. Chapman. And Simeon. All right, first pack, numbered parallel. There's Lewis. Anderson. I get a DeLong. Chisholm. Blue parallel T. Manson. Trey Mangini. It's kind of hard to see the name. Looks like a C to me. Over there's Medical. We got a Lopez. We got a Bart. Sano. Myers. Green parallel. Bellinger. Bueller. And Caprillion. I can't spell that name, sorry. Can't pronounce it, I should say. McKenzie. And we got a Tatis Jr. There's a Zerpa. Ooh, Yogi Berra. Wowzers. That's pretty cool. Number 310 out of 320. Park. Green parallel. There's a Story and Rendon. And we got a White. Linder. There's Reynolds. Bellinger. Rookie card R. Detmers. There's a Rooker. And Marte. 320 card set. We got a J. Duran, Perdomo, Meadows, Rosario, and Meadows, Arnaud, and Segura. Did we get another Meadows? Yes, we did. Even though it's a parallel. We get 2 of the same card in the same pack. We put 1 of them in the flawless case. So we'll put the regular one. You know what? Feeling generous. We're going to put the green parallel in the flawless briefcase. Going into the flawless briefcase. All right, last pack. Oh, we got ourselves a mini. That's kind of cool. Do that one last. We got a T Scooble, green parallel. Wander Franco rookie card. I'll keep that one. We got Apache, R Flores, got an L Robert, Altuve, and we've got a really, this is nifty, Gypsy Queen Gems, Y Molina. Pretty nifty mini card. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we get at a pack. Box number 2, blaster box number 2. Let's see if blaster box number 2 beats out blaster box number 1. All right. Here we go. Pack number 1. Ooh, we've got a Lopez rookie card. K. Hayes. Gorgeous. Gallo. Green parallel. Conforto. Tuchin and Plesic. DJ Lemieux. We got May. How's he doing this year? Mr. Turner. Rookie card of Diekman. There's Kutchel. Green parallel. Mancini. And Detmer. And we've got an A. Bridgman. We got a Young. We got a Ryu. We got a T. Story. Green parallel Contra. Cameron and Smith. And we got a rookie card Cruz. Bichette. We got a Wright. Longoria. I'm saying that right. Williams. Green parallel. Kawar rookie card. And Mondesi. And Verdugo. Ryu again. Glover. Hoke. Green parallel of Nemo. Not to be mistaken with Little Nemo. There's Wong, rookie card. Goldschmidt. And the last 2 packs. We got a Cronenworth. Stevenson. Got a Lynn. Frazier. Green DeGrom. Friend. And Yastrzemski. Wow, that's a mouthful. He almost ran out of spots to put his name in. All right, last pack. And we got a mini in here. So pull the mini last. We got a JD Martinez green parallel. Got a Chapman there. Simeon, Urshela, and Castellanos. We got a rookie card low and we've got an Aaron Judge Gypsy Queen Gems. Not too shabby. I'm calling it for box number 2. Aaron Judge over Molina. What do you guys think? Who won that? Box 1 or box 2? Let me know in the comments below, and more hobby box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.